Hey guys, we're solving question 3A, and we're looking for ST star and CT star. Let me give these guys little stars. So let's finish it up. Here's the equation that we found, and we could plug everything all in at once, but I find it's easier to kind of do it in steps. I deleted it, but we'll remember that dt plus 1 is equal to savings times the net change in assets. So that'll be st times 1 plus r minus delta. And then we can cancel these 1 minus r plus delta. So we find that 1 minus a over a ct is equal to st. And then now we can plug in for ct, which, if you recall, is equal to the probability that we live a healthy working life minus savings, plus the probability that we are injured and receive a pension, but still save from our old age out of that pension. So we'll need to expand this again. Is equal to WP minus SP plus M minus S minus MP minus SP is equal to S. And the, plus SP. The SPs will cancel. And we'll just be left with let's actually also pull out this s. So this s we want to send to the right, but we're going to give him his 1 over a as a traveling gift. It's dangerous to go alone, so he can take this with him. Plus m minus mp is equal to s plus 1 minus a over as. So in here we can clean this up a little bit. We can write this as going to be the probability that we earn a wage plus 1 minus the probability that we receive a pension. So that's nice. It's a nice symmetrical result. And then here we'll factor out an s. So we'll get s times 1 plus 1 minus a over a. And we'll write 1 as a over a. So we'll end up with this a and this a canceling. We'll end up with 1 over a here. 1 over a s. So we'll multiply this a back over to the other side and just end up with 1 minus a pw plus 1 minus pm is equal to s star. And so that is our first answer. Now, using this S star, we can just plug that straight back into our consumption, and that'll give us our C star. And so we know that CT, again, is equal to the probability of a healthy life, minus, plus the probability of an accident. And let's do our expansion before we plug in s to try to make our life a little bit easier. Pw minus sp plus m minus s minus mp plus sp. Cancel, cancel. So ct will be equal to pw plus 1 minus p m minus, and now let's plug in s, 1 minus a, and that's the same thing, pw plus 1 minus pm. And so we can factor a, doesn't split there. We can factor a pw plus 1 minus pm from both of these expressions, and we will get, I think we've earned a drum roll or something, CT is equal to pw plus 1 minus pm times 1 minus 1 plus a. So we'll distribute the minus sign, 1 and a, and those go away. So the final superfinal answer is CT star is equal to a times pw plus 1 minus PM. And using this S star and the CT star, we could also find DT plus 1 star. But the question actually only asks us to find the T values, so CT and ST. Okay, so in the next part we will use these equilibrium values to clear the labor market and the goods market and solve the model.